Konnichiwa minasan, my name is Jake. Welcome to our channel, JENNXJAKE. Hi guys, so today or tonight, ano ba ngayon gabi na? It's 9:08. So tonight, mag-unbox tayo tsaka konting review dito sa aming binili ni Jen na isang coffee maker by Nescafe. So this is Nescafe Barista 50. So it is a product, as what I have said, it is a product made by Nescafe. And to matagal ko na itong tawag nito, pinasam-asam. So yun nga, na decide na namin na bumili na nito. So it was the lower version yung medyo na trip ko, pero yun nga, sa pagpunta namin sa store, yun nga yung suggestion ni Jen. So, rather than to buy the lower end, ito na lang diretso, konti na lang din naman yung difference ng price. So ayan. So, we got the higher model one and it is a Bluetooth, as you can see. Bluetooth enabled device. Ibig sabihin, makaka-connect tayo via phone app. Later, i-explore natin to. And sa likod, so this coffee machine can make a braku or black coffee. Meron din siyang ice cafe latte. So ice coffee latte and tsaka ice kohi. So ice coffee and then cafe latte. Mainit na latte. And then nakaka-make din siya ng cappuccino. So also yung advice niya na bala na gagamitin, yung kape mismo is ito, Nescafe Gold Blend. So dried freeze coffee siya. And then meron din siyang ibang suggested din, at saka yung mga hindi applicable sa machine na to. Tsaka yung creamer na ina-advise nila is by Nestle Bright. So yun, meron ibang features na nakasulat din dito. And ayun. So, sa mga dati pang naka-subscribe sa channel namin, as you can recall, meron kaming mga videos na regarding sa coffee. So, I am the one who is really addicted to coffee. So, this is another pang timpla ng kape, a high-tech version. So, without further ado, let's start the unboxing of this. So let's start now the unboxing. Let's put this aside muna. Okay. So the first thing that you are greeted by is the manual itself. Yan. Oh, kapal nito. Okay, let's put this aside first. Lalagay natin sa table yung mabubuksan. So ito, pagbukas natin, yung laman is manual, yung unit mismo, tsaka I think this is the cup holder. Buksan natin. Shine. This is it. So ito is some water tank. Yep. Mug holder or mug holder. I think it is here. Yep. So yun. So this is the Nescafe Gold Barista 50. Let's explore what's in it. So this is the where you place the coffee. Ito, yung bala niya. So it is recommended that you use a dried freeze coffee. So before we proceed, hugasan ko muna to, tapos lagyan ko siya ng tubig. So ayun, nalagyan na natin ng tubig yung tank niya. Next is yun, yung sa buttons. So all the buttons are located here. So this is the Dengen power button or the power button. And then ito, this one is for cleaning. Cleaning button. So when it's time to rinse yung machine mismo, yung loob, yung mga tanks. And then the third button is this one. So espresso espresso type, and then IC menu. Next is ito is for Buraku coffee, black coffee. And then ito Buraku coffee pa rin, mas malaki na mug. And then the next one is cappuccino. Ano sa Japanese ito? Cappuccino. And then the last one is cafe latte. So cafe latte. And then meron din to siyang Bluetooth. I-enable natin yung Bluetooth before na. And so yun, before tayo mag-proceed, saksak muna natin para ma-set up yung Bluetooth mo. So yun, turning on, tapos yung Bluetooth niya is naka-enable na. So to connect to the machine, kailangan natin ng phone. So we have our phone. So let's open the Nescafe app. So yes, so this is the app, Nescafe. And then we will select. Set up ko muna tong app, balik ako. So ayun guys, natapos ko na talaga siyang i-set up. Sa medyo complicated yung app setup ng Nescafe. Daming tanong, pati pa naman yung tinanong if meron akong pet or meron kaming pet or whatsoever, kung aso bar sa, I don't know anong connection doon sa kape, pero the app is already okay and the setup ko na yung machine mismo. So let's try. So I can control the machine via phone kung anong gusto kong timpla. So gusto ko ngayon mag-cafe latte. So select ko yung, so gusto kong mag-cafe latte ngayon. So isi-select ko sa app yung cafe latte, tsaka kung, so before nun kailangan kong maglagay ng yung creamer niya. So gaano kadami? Agad natin yung 220 ml. So I will be starting na. So click. Let's go. So dapat magtatakbo na itong machine. So ayun, tumakbo na siya. So I didn't press anything. I used my phone only to do my coffee. So medyo smart siya. Amazing. So meron na kaming own Starbucks dito sa bahay. So yeah, it's a very good additional appliance dito sa bahay, coffee maker. Nanalo rin ako dun sa app. I won. Amazing. Yan. Nagkuha na yung app, natapos na yung kape ko. So let's see the finished product. Oh, amazing. Cafe latte talaga siya. Foamy, frothy. Try natin. So, my verdict this is okay siya. Okay na okay. Tsaka nag-warning na rin yung tubig na ubos ko. Kasi nag-try ako kanina ng nag-try ako mga 3 beses to troubleshoot yung sa app. So, ayun. So, verdict ko, very good buy. And nagtataka kayo kung pwede ba to sa Pilipinas. Sorry to inform na hindi kasi 110 lang yung power supply niya. Kung pwede rin siya kung bibili kayo ng adapter niya from 220 to 110 step down transformer. Verdict, it's a very good buy. Sulit. Will be just only a part of our coffee making here sa bahay. Doon pa kukontinue pa rin namin yung dati namin ginagawa yung sa beans, yung pag-grind ng beans tsaka via pouring. Ibang style din yon. Dito is pang instant kung gusto namin madali ang kape. And ayun, kulang ko na lang is yung French press. Yeah, I think that's it sa unboxing and review sa Nescafe Barista 5. Hope you like the video, and those who have not yet subscribed, please click the subscribe button below. Leave comments for other topics or anything under the sun that is here in Japan that you want us to discuss. So that's it. So see you in the next one. Bye. Peace.